Hey y'all, this is Kinah with KinahIAm. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing the HoneyBShop March 2022 Babe box. This box was titled Functional Pastels. I'm a little bit behind in unboxing it. When it arrived, I had to go to battle with USPS, and that's all I'm going to say about that. For those of you that are new here, welcome to my channel. For those of you that are OGs, y'all already know how I feel about the United States Postal Service, and that's all I'm gonna say about it on this day. So let's go ahead and get into this. The first thing, well, let me grab these journaling cards because I took the protective film off of this one. It says Babes Support Babes. Cute. And then we have this heart. So as you can see, this one, the journaling card with the heart on it still has a protective film. Be sure to go ahead and peel that off. As you can see, it's got little ripples there, so you can see that it comes off. So these are the two journaling cards that came in this month's kit. Next, we've got these cute little this cute little stencil set. Is so tiny and so cute. Let's go ahead and get this open. Y'all excuse my nails. I like them to be cute, but I hate sitting to get them done. So there's that. So we have the first stencil that has the squares, hearts, circles, and stars. And it has this little hole up here so that you can put them all on a loop. And then this one's just a plain card. You could probably wrap washi around this one. And then this one, we have our basic shapes: circle, square. We've got a flag, hexagon, and this round pill shape. So these are the stencils, goodness, in this month's kit. Put them back or I will lose them. Next up, we have a washi stand, y'all, and cute. It's not super huge where it's gonna take over your desk. So we have the heart base, and then we have the actual stand piece, and they just fit together, super smooth, no problems. See, let me grab some washi. I got a piece of washi over here. How would we get that on there? I don't even think that would. Yeah, it would. Okay, boom. And I just had these sitting on the side because I was getting ready to film another plan with me. So boom, washi, cute, y'all. So this is the washi stand. Put it away. Washi stand. And then next, let's jump into our sticker die cuts. If y'all are new here, you know how I feel about these die cuts. HoneyBShop in general, because she makes her dolls in multiple tones, skin tones. Everybody's happy. So we got babes supporting babes, 21, 22, 23. We've got multiple shades of that, and this one says adult sticker collector. My hobbies include stickers, pens, and planners. Amen. Planner babe, adult sticker collector. This planner belongs to, this journal belongs to, this journal belongs to, this planner belongs to. So these are our die cut stickers this month. Look at that one, cute. Now I'm gonna put this back in the packaging, or they will be everywhere and my son will find them. And then Aiden likes to stick places in the most unusual of places. So next we have some adhesive pockets. Get them out of there. Come on out of there. And it looks like we have 4. So we have this larger size. And then we've just got 4 in different sizes. So super cute. And then this one has a scalloped edge, y'all. Come on. There we go. And so does this one. It says adult sticker collector. So we have the adhesive pockets. Next up, let me jump into this washi because this is super cute. So we didn't get regular washi this month. We got these washi stickers, and they're super cute, y'all. So obviously you just peel them off, peel one off, and just stick it. Look at that. And it's in a rainbow, y'all. That is adorable. So we've got the washi stickers, and they're the same material as washi, of course. Next we have what all of y'all have been waiting for, the planner stash cutting tool. And I got mine in mint, and I'm very glad because I saw Shannon put up quite a few polls of which color you want it, because they came randomly. It comes in this mint color, and then there was a lilac color, and I kept choosing mint, and I'm so glad I got it in mint. I got mine in mint. So the general idea of this is to use it like a knife. See what that cut it right open. Love it. So that is the planner stash cutting tool. Y'all don't think because it don't look like a knife means you can go across your finger with that, you're gonna get your feelings hurt. So adult sticker collector, we've got a cute little folder. I can stick all my stash in here. I'm pretty sure all of this will fit. Die cuts, adhesive pockets, let's see, journaling cards. I don't think I could get the sticker book in here, it's too wide. We've got our stencils. This is cute for on the go. So that's our little pocket folder. And then last but not least, y'all, let's get into this month's sticker book. And as I said, the name of this month's kit was Functional Pastels. We've got important stuff here. Today's top 3 important stuff here in these cute pastel colors. We've got a full box. Is that a full box? It is a full box. We've got some checklists, notes. We've got some thought bubbles. Oh, that's gonna drive me crazy. And then more thought bubbles in that hollow foil. And then we've got some functional boxes. More functional boxes. We've got 3 sets of date covers, to-dos, headers. We've got some date dots, 2 sets of date dots. We've got some more headers, some flags, some hexagons, these drops and dots. And then we've got some oval and squoval boxes, checklists, habit trackers, excuse me. And these up here say very important stuff. And then we've got these cute little boxes down here. And then we've got some icons, credit card, Happy Meal, a car, dishes, home, cleaning, pencil, laundry detergent, money with wings, literally. We've got a light bulb. I believe this is a phone, and we've got a flower down here. And then the same icons in black and white. And then we've got some flags and some checklists. And then on this page we've got some hexagons. Over here we have them with the lined grid, and over here they're blank with the hollow line inside. Very faint, but it's cute, you can see it. And then this page just has some shapes here. It's really hard to see unless you get up really close and pull them up. And then we've got some clouds down here. And then that is the 10-page, excuse me, this is 15 pages this month for the Functional Pastels sticker book. Alright, y'all, so here is the March 2022 HoneyBShop Babe Box titled Functional Pastels. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Turn on your notifications so you're aware of when I post new videos. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.